sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good, tell them get it.
What's up, guys? HP Chasers here. It's about 11 o'clock. We're headed to do some roll racing at the Street Hunters event. Never been to a roll racing event on the street before, so hopefully we'll get some good races in and keep it safe. And I'm sure we'll surprise a lot of people with the Supra. We're running, a thin tire, just Toyo R, 888Rs. Not fat tire considering how much horsepower we have, but with the tuning and the boost by gear along with the Pro EFI traction control, she puts it down really, really well. So should be a good night. Stay tuned for some sick clips. That was a good one. Yeah, you just keep it up a little bit. Not until my boost did. I got a late launch start. Go get him, boy. Which way are we going?
I'd make a U-turn, honestly. Yes, sir.
Took down a 1,000cc bike, bro. Holy shit. It's a Camaro. Walk the Camaro.
Sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound? Yeah, that